Folks, listen. If you want an easy way to make money, helping other people get the legal remedy they deserve, and avoid costly mistakes and scams, pay close attention because you're going to love what you see. Look, if Fraud Stoppers has helped you in any way, big or small, or if you like what we stand for, please join the referral affiliate programs below because now you can get paid to promote credit repair, legal education, attorney services, mortgage fraud investigations, and other foreclosure defense tools and resources. Almost all these programs are free to join, and it only takes a minute or two to activate your accounts. After you activate your referral affiliate memberships, record a short testimonial video sharing how Fraud Stoppers has helped you or why you appreciate the products and services we offer. Send us your testimonial video and referral affiliate links, and we'll advertise them on the top video sharing websites. Plus, we'll optimize your video by adding keywords designed to generate the most views and clicks. So every time your video is viewed and someone clicks your affiliate links, you can get paid. In fact, 2 sales a day of Fraud Stoppers membership will earn you $3,000 a month or $36,500 a year. 2 sales a day of our credit repair program will earn you more than $4,000 a month or $54,750 a year. And 2 sales a day of the How to Win in Court legal education program will pay you over $6,000 a month or $82,200 a year. But listen, it's not just about making money here, because your testimonial video can help others avoid costly mistakes and scams. For example, I remember speaking with an elderly woman from Houston, Texas, who told me she paid a lawyer $16,000 for a loan modification. She told me her loan modification wasn't approved and she lost her home to foreclosure. She lost her home of 50 years and all her savings too. It pissed me off because we could have helped her get a loan modification for less than $300. Just think about this. What if that was your mother or grandmother? How would you feel if some scumbag lawyer charged her $16,000 and she lost her home and all her money? How would that make you feel? This is why your testimonial video is so important, because it could literally help another person avoid getting ripped off or overpaying for a product or service they might desperately need to save their home from foreclosure or get the legal remedy they deserve. This was the main motivation behind making this video. Recently, a lady named Denise Duvall from Quakertown, PA called our office and told me she was looking for a lawsuit to stop her foreclosure sale. She said she paid a foreclosure defense advocate $2,500 for a Bloomberg securitization audit. It took almost 4 months of complaining before she finally got the audit. Denise was just about to pay this person another $2,500 for her to, quote, format the audit into a lawsuit for her. I told Denise we sell the same Bloomberg audit and lawsuit documents for less than $1,500. If she didn't call Fraud Stoppers when she did, she probably would have paid $5,000 for the same product we sell for $1,495. Thankfully, we sold her the lawsuit documents for $495, so she ended up saving about $2,000. Not to mention the fact that we delivered her work product in less than 48 hours, so we probably saved her weeks or maybe even months of worry and frustration too. Plus, we're helping Denise recoup some of the money she lost on her audit by including her affiliate links in this description box to this video. So if you're in the market for any of the tools or resources we offer, please click her affiliate links so Denise can get paid the referral fee. And that's how Fraud Stoppers is helping people save time and money, increase their odds of success, avoid costly mistakes and scams, and make extra money helping other people do the same. Please join the referral programs below so that together we can help more people get the legal remedy they deserve and avoid costly mistakes and scams. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Have you ever wondered if your loan contained legal violations or fraud? Have you ever thought about suing your bank for fraud? If so, join Fraud Stoppers right now and you'll get a mortgage fraud investigation and a turnkey federal lawsuit for under $300. Plus, administrative documents, tort letter to stop a foreclosure, TILA rescission letter, loan modification documents, bankruptcy documents, FBI bank fraud documents, and more. Join now at www.fraudstoppers.org/PMA.
Fraud Stoppers, man, I owe you guys big time. Thank you.